again. Looks like there is a lot of things going on right now, and we're going to be getting an update in less than 8 minutes. Now, I would assume this update will probably indicate if we're going to enter a geomagnetic storm again. We went in a geomagnetic storm yesterday. We hit a G3, which is quite intense. Things were truly strong. Now we're out of it, but it looks like we're kind of heading back up there. The KP index has been battling between 3 and 4. Right now it's actually close to 5. So things are looking quite interesting right now. I am feeling great, by the way. I hope everybody's feeling pretty good, by the way. We have a new comet that is getting very close to the Earth. In the next 3 days, it's actually going to land here. I'm going to be talking a little bit about it. I think I got the right comment. It's interesting because a lot of people are still delayed on some of the 3-eye Atlas news and how it changed color and stuff like that. People just realize that it has a green aura, pretty much like a green gas around it now. It changed color. So it's very interesting, you know. It looks like a lot of people are catching up on things. So how's everybody doing? And there's a lot of things a lot of things that people have been talking about. So definitely can't wait to, get into some things because a lot of people are making some very interesting theories lately. Definitely. So hopefully everybody's good. We also just uploaded a YouTube short, and we uploaded on Instagram a Schumann resonance update, and it actually looks quite interesting. So it kind of looks like a cross in a way, you know what I mean? So we pretty much uploaded that. I thought that was kind of interesting. Gonna refresh right now. We're gonna refresh everything. We're probably gonna get an update in about 5 minutes or so. So hopefully everybody is doing good. And let's jump right into this. So here it is right now. It's almost 10 p.m. Eastern time, and we are heading towards September 16. As you can see, this is the Schumann chart. This is like a real-time update right now. The energy is moderate. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. How's your day going? This was very interesting line. This was a very interesting line. Most green energy and activity is green is moderate energy, and this one was very different because it was just very, very long. Usually it's wider and more spread out, but this one was kind of just a straight beam. This hit a power of, I think it was around 32, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely interesting right there. Overall, of course, we are actually getting in what looks to be white energy, which is really hard to tell. This is very intense, and this should be hitting around the upper chakras, believe it or not. So very interesting right there. Going right into the Italian Schumann resonance. Again, rumbles is what we're getting here. We are getting in quite the rumble, so there is energy popping in. And of course, here it is. This is new, so they changed this. This is looking different. This is new energy coming in right now. I can't say how strong this is. Maybe 30 hertz. So very interesting here. Taking a look at space weather, which we're gonna refresh it. We're also gonna have to update it again. The KP index is over a 4 right now. Solar wind is getting higher and higher. We peaked over an hour ago at 850 km per second, which is intense. Yesterday during our geomagnetic storm, we didn't even hit that high. We hit maybe near 700 or 800, but we are just averaging in the 750s, and we peaked towards, if I can get my mouse on it. If I can get the mouse on it, that'd be great. 857 is where we peaked at, which is insane. So just a lot of things going on in general. Of course, we were pretty low around a KP7, which is, well, not low, but pretty intense, and we are kind of getting out of that right now. So again, things are just definitely intense right now. So this might reset maybe now or another few hours or so. If that's the case, then we won't be able to get on this stream. Again, I'm gonna just call it GM. GM activity is still up. It's still intense. But there hasn't been any M-class solar flares for quite a while, which I find interesting. I'm shocked we haven't had any. Let's take a good look and picture at the sun. Here it is. Looking more like a Twitter bird or a chicken. I don't know. Overall, that's what we got going on for the sun right now. Very, very interesting. So, how is everyone doing right now? If you did not know, there have been 2 comments that have come up. One of them is R2 Swan or Swan 25B. I think that's the better name. I don't know why I got 2 of them, but Swan 25B. And this comment is actually, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the one that is heading closer to Earth. So if I'm not mistaken, in just a few days, this comet is actually going to get super close to the Earth. I don't know if it's this one or if it's the other one, but it's going to get incredibly close to the Earth. How's everyone doing, by the way? It's good to everybody here in the stream. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. So very, very interesting. And if we take a look at this comment real quick. Here it is. This is a picture of it, and this is its tail, basically. And very interesting. You know, very interesting. This literally just appeared. They just found it September 12th, 3 days ago. And within 2 days, it's going to be passing by the Earth. I think this is the comment. I think this is the one, Swan 25B, if I'm not mistaken. On my knowledge, it will be really close. Might be almost close to the naked eye, believe it or not. Or FA22. FA22 is the comment. I got it wrong. It's FA. Alright, let's look this one up right now. Hopefully everybody's having a good day in the stream. Yes, so FA22 is a very hazardous asteroid, and this is the one that Stefan Burns just talked about. This is a very, very large asteroid, and this one is very this one's going to be coming very, very close to the Earth. If I'm not mistaken, just 2.5 times or so, or far away from the Earth. So this one will be visible in the naked eye. And it looks like it will be coming by September 18 or so. So this one is a very interesting one. Even 19, September 19 it could come. So this is a very interesting discovery. Good to everybody in the stream. How's everybody doing, by the way? How's everybody feeling? Oh, All right, it's time to refresh. I guess it still stands. No, I think until around 11 a.m. or something. That's when we'll probably get some new updates. Unfortunately, um, very very interesting here. All right. So a lot of people have been saying and speculating that there is a lot of things coming. Many people have been saying that a lot of this is in the Bible. There have been people saying that, Jesus is coming. Um, I think someone was saying that with the comet, Jesus is coming. People are saying like and speculating that a fleet or something, right? Spiritual fleet or something, I don't know how to put it, is coming. So it's not a comet. A lot of people are actually saying it's not a comet. So it's very interesting what people have been saying and speculating. And things have gone quite intense this month. There's been a lot of stuff going on, and a lot of people, of course, getting riled up, if that's the right word to say, getting like really anxious, triggered and stuff. And yeah, it's tough. It's not easy, but I think the best thing that we can do is not tune into that, because tuning into the negativity and arguing with other people, which is kind of what's been going on. I feel like there's been so much hate and so much arguing going on. It's not going to do the world any better. So, and it's hard because I feel like people want to make sense of various things that happen. Some people just hate. Some people, it's like just different. I don't know. Everybody is just yeah. What's good, Crypto Billy? It's good to have you here in the stream. How are you doing, Billy? Hopefully you're having a good day or night. But yeah, it looks like there is a lot of things going on right now, and you don't want to get caught in it. So, and I think during the time that we're in right now, one of the best things that we can do is truly just connect to source, and also just be in a calmness state, because that's the best way to connect to source. When you're in a rowdy environment, I'm doing really good. I'm very good today. Very good. Morning, I was just so sleepy and tired, and then, boom, just got the energy. But overall, yeah, really just tired, but overall good. Very good right now. Yeah. It's weird what's going on. I really have, like, I don't know, yeah, right now I'm getting like a little energized. Like, I feel like in a state of peace. I am sleepy, but at the same time, I kind of have like energy at the same time. So Maybe I have like an inner motivation, you know what I mean? But I was so out of it earlier. Unbelievable. But what are we in like what is happening the 21st or 22nd, like an eclipse or something? Or where like there's 12 hours of day, 12 hours at night. There's like that thing, I forgot what they call it. And equinox, like during those periods, it is rough. It's very rough. So um yeah, I need to get some sleep, that's for sure. I think we're in one, aren't we? I think we were in one. Or Mercury did station somewhere. Um, I have no idea. But I would assume December. I know we'll have one. We usually get them around December and things like that. Um, Probably. But I actually have no idea, to be honest. Yeah, I pretty much said everything I needed to say. I don't. Think I've said everything I needed to say. I don't think I have anything else to say. I can't think of anything. I've been getting a lot of blank minds on stream. Usually I have something to say or some sort of motivation, but yeah. I think I did my part. Alright, I'm gonna go. I appreciate everybody tuning into the stream though. Appreciate the tip. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Make sure you guys like and comment, subscribe. Appreciate it, and I will keep everyone updated. So see you next time.